In Google Calendar, you have the ability to share your calendar with others in the SBU organization and control their viewing permissions. To share with all individuals in the SBU organization, follow these steps. Once you're in Google Calendar, find the section that says My Calendars and expand it if it is not expanded already. Then hover over your name and select the 3 descending dots. Once clicked, choose the option that says Settings and Sharing. This will open a new area where you can scroll down and find the section titled Access Permissions for Events. In this area, you could make your calendar available to the public, or you can make it available to everyone in the Stony Brook University network. Then, you can choose how much information from your calendar that others in your SBU network can see. Your options are either to allow them to see your free/busy times, which will hide any calendar details from them, or you can allow them to see all of your events with their details. Once you finish, you can select Get Shareable Link to copy a link and send it to others to view. If you would prefer to allow individuals or groups to see information in your calendar, you can continue scrolling to the Share with Specific People section. Here you can select Add People and Groups. Then you can type in the name or email of the individual or group you wish to add. Once the names are entered, you can use the Permissions drop-down to choose which permissions you would like these individuals to have. Similar to the last options we looked at, you can allow these individuals to either see free or busy times without any details. You can also allow them to see all events with event details included. But here we can also see 2 additional options. These are Make Changes to Events and Make Changes and Manage Sharing. Make Changes to Events allows the individuals to view all information in your calendar, even for private events, and it also allows them to add or edit events to your calendar as well. Make Changes and Manage Sharing allows the exact same permissions with the added features of allowing these individuals to change calendar sharing settings, as well as the ability to permanently delete the calendar. Once you give someone access to your calendar, they can view it within their own Google Calendar account. If they look over to the Other Calendars section, they should see your name appear. If you click on that, you can see calendar events in a different color for the individual whose calendar you can see. For individuals who are granted permission to add events on behalf of someone else's calendar, you can add an event for them by selecting Create, and then Event. After you enter in the name of your event and select its date and time, you can select your name towards the bottom. That will show a list of people and groups who you are permitted to schedule events on behalf of. Once you choose who you would like to schedule for, you can hit Save to finish. If you would like to rescind access to your calendar, return to the Settings and Sharing area and scroll all the way back down to the Share with Specific People or Groups field. Then you can click the X next to the individual's name to remove their access. Thank you for watching. For more content, please remember to subscribe to our channel.